Listen and practice. Hi friends. Today's our topic is my hobby. Listen carefully. Then, repeat after me. Photography is not just a hobby for me, it's a passion that allows me to capture the beauty of the world around me. Through the lens of my camera, I explore the intricate details of everyday life, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. I find solace in the quiet moments spent waiting for the perfect shot, immersing myself in the art of observation. Photography has opened my eyes to the nuances of light and shadow, teaching me to see the world in a different way. Whether it's the play of colors during a sunset or the candid expressions of people, each photo tells a unique story. Editing my photos is like adding the final brush strokes to a painting, allowing me to convey the emotions and atmosphere I experienced. My camera has become an extension of myself, and I'm constantly seeking new perspectives and techniques to improve my craft. Sharing my photos with others is a source of joy, as it allows me to evoke emotions and inspire a sense of wonder. Photography has taught me patience, as I've learned to wait for the right moment to capture a fleeting scene or expression. In essence, photography is my creative outlet, a way to freeze moments in time and express my unique perspective on the world. Comment below from which country you are watching us. Vocabulary booster. Having a good vocabulary makes you good at speaking English. Synonyms are words that have same meanings. There are some synonyms from today's topic. 1. Intricate, complex. Intricate, complex. 2. Solaces, comfort. Solaces, comfort. 3. Immersing, involve, engage. Immersing, involve, engage. 4. Nuances, variations. Nuances, variations. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time everyone.